Let me quote a hadith also. This is from Bukhari, Muslim, Tirmidhi, Abu Dawood, Nasai, Ibn Majah, Ahmad. All these muhaddiseen, they have reported this hadith. And the Sahabi, the narrator, is Hazrat Anas ibn Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Marfu'an, he says that the Prophet said, لا يتمنين أحدكم الموت من ضر أصابه فإن كان لا بد فاعلا فليقل اللهم أحيني ما كانت الحياة خيرا لي وتوفني إذا كانت الوفاة خيرا لي. Nobody amongst you should long or desire or pray for death only because of the dur, the pain or the suffering that he is experiencing. Because of pain, because of suffering, because of tribulations. Nobody amongst you should to pray for death, long for death, ask death for death from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فَإِنْ كَانَ لَا بُدَّ فَاعِلًا. If it becomes essential for him, if it becomes unbearable for him, the conditions, and he thinks that he has to say, oh Allah, now send me the death, he should say, now these words, he said, he should say, Allahumma ahyini ma kanatil hayatu khairan li. Oh Allah, keep me alive as long as life is better for me. If in your knowledge this life would be beneficial to me, if I can get some good deeds done in the remaining life, then you keep me alive. وَتَوَفَّنِي إِذَا كَانَتِ الْوَفَاةُ خَيْرًا لِي. But when in your knowledge, according to your knowledge, death becomes better for me, then please give me the death. So in this way, you give your matter to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.